Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing on Marvel Rivals. So first I will show you what you need to change on your PC specs, and then we will go in game and I will show you what settings you need to change to get maximum performance and good quality. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to always make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. So go to settings, go to Windows Update. If there is an update, update your operating system. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what you're using. I'm using Nvidia, so there is an app for me. I can go to Nvidia, and then as you can see here, I can go to drivers and install latest drivers on my GPU. So make sure to do that. And the next step, what we need to do here is to go to Nvidia control panel. So just right click on your desktop, show more options, and then go to Nvidia control panel here. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. First step, what I suggest to do here is to go to change resolution and make sure the right resolution, native one on that your PC has is selected. For me, it's 191080. 1920 1080, and also make sure that maximum refresh rate is selected as well, not 60 but maximum amount, right? And then the next step, what we need to do here is to go to a configure surround and also of course apply the changes, and then go to configure surround 5x, and then make sure that processor selected is your GPU card, right? Then go to manage 3D settings, and then here we can tweak a few settings as well. So first of all, look for power management mode here, power management mode, and also there is monitor technology. If there is G-Sync compatible, always use it G-Sync compatible. If there is no option, just use fixed refresh. And then on power management mode, make sure it prefer maximum performance. Then on prefer refresh rate, make sure to use highest available. Then on textural filtering here, textural filtering and isotropic sample options, make sure it's on. Then texture filtering trilinear optimization, make sure it's on. And then threaded resolution, make sure threaded optimization, make sure it's on. And texture filtering quality, make sure to use high performance. Never use high quality because the game will be unplayable, so this is quite important step for you to use high performance. Then VSync, make sure it's off, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames, make sure it's 2, and then just apply the changes and we can go with other step. Next step, open up settings, not services, settings, then go to gaming, then go to game bar, make sure it's off, then go to game mode and make sure game mode is on, right? Then we can go to services. On services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see sysmain. As you can see here, sysmain, and just right click on it and stop. And after that, go to properties and also start apply, make sure it's disabled, right? And then you can close this window. Another thing that we need to do here is to we need to open up Steam, where you got the Marvel Rivals. Right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, browse, right? Then just press on the blank space here and copy the path of the files, because we will need that later. And next step, what we need to do here is to go to, as you can see here, you can go to Marvel game. You should find Marvel exe file, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations is selected, then select change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application, press apply and OK. Right, next step, what we need to do here, you just need to go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, make sure advanced graphic settings is selected, and hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is selected as well. And then here you need to find Marvel Rivals. If for some reason there is no Marvel Rivals on the list, what you need to do here, you need to press add desktop app, then paste the path that we copied and then just add, as you can see here, a exe file, Marvel game exe file, and then the Marvel rival should appear here. As you can see here, there's an icon, and then what we need to do here is to expand this option, GPU preference, and make sure select high performance, and optimizations for Windows games also should be selected. Next step, what we need to do here is to go to power plan, edit power plan, then power options, make sure ultimate performance is selected, and if there is no ultimate performance option for you, select high performance, and then you can close this window. Then go to view advanced system settings. On view advanced system settings, you need to be on advanced performance, advanced, and then virtual memory, and then you need to do a few things here. So as you can see here, for me it's 32,000. So how I got this number, basically you just need to look for your RAM, how much RAM do you have on your computer. So for me, as you can see here, it's 16 gigabytes. So what I did, I just duplicate 16 times 2000, and I got this number. Let's say you got 8 gigabytes of RAM, you just need to 8 duplicate by 2000, and it will be 16,000. So just your RAM duplicate by 2000, and the number will be here that you need to write, and apply the changes. And after that, we can proceed with other steps. So the next step, what we can do here is to go to storage, and on storage should be temporary files. Select all the things here and delete files. Also, it will help you a lot with the game performance if you have a lot of temporary files piled up on your machine. And after that, what you need to do here is to go to open up game, and then once the game is opened, look for that particular game here. For example, let's say it's Steam. Right click on it, then go to details, and then you'll find the exe file. Then set priority and make it to high, right? And after you do these steps, we can proceed with in-game settings. And in game settings, you just need to press escape, settings, and then let's go on display. And on display mode, make sure it's full screen. Now I'm recording the video, so for me it's borderless windowed more convenient, but always use full screen. Aspect ratio, resolution, always use the native of your monitor. Then anti-aliasing and super resolution type, make sure if using Nvidia GPU, use Nvidia DLSS. If using AMD GPU, use AMD FSR. Then super resolution mode, make sure it's not quality but balanced. If you're not getting quite good FPS, then select performance, but I believe balance should be good. Then frame generation mode off. Low latency mode, if you're using Nvidia, make sure it's selected. Then here, just play the game and play a few games, and if you're constantly getting, for example, 180 FPS, even your monitor holds to 40, let's say you're getting, I don't know, 3 to 5 games in a row, 180, 180, 180, what I suggest to do here, first of all, turn on show FPS, and then see. And then what I suggest to do here, if you're getting 180, even if your monitor is to 40, is to limit to 180, and it will help you a lot with your stuttering and freezing issues here. And then VSync is off. And then graphic quality, make sure global illumination is SSG or off. Then reflection quality is screen space reflections. Then model quality is low. Post processing is medium. Shadow detail is low. Texture detail high or medium. I prefer high because quality, it will hurt. Your quality, it will hurt a lot if it's on medium. And then effects details and foliage quality is on medium as well. And guys, if you're lagging and you're getting high latency, what I suggest to do here is to fix your I will show you some tips how you can fix your internet basically high latency, right? So what you need to do here is to first open a browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And always, if there is a possibility, use Ethernet cable because it will be more stable connection. Then go to command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to put few commands here. So first is ipconfig space /flash DNS, and another command is -winsock reset, and after that restart your computer. Then go to settings, then go to network and internet, then advanced network settings, find your internet connection, and then select more adapter options, and then select internet protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write Google one 8.8.8.8, and on alternate 8.8.4.4. apply the changes, then go to more network and internet, press on this, go to advanced network settings, then go to network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And after that, restart your computer and you should be good to go, and you should fix your FPS drop, stuttering and freezing should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.